How were the Mediterranean and the Atlantic Ocean formed? The Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean are two of the world's most important bodies of water, each with their own unique history and formation. The Mediterranean Sea, also known as the Middle Sea, is a large body of water located between Europe, Africa, and Asia, and is connected to the Atlantic Ocean through the Strait of Gibraltar. The Atlantic Ocean, on the other hand, is the world's second-largest ocean, spanning from the Americas in the west to Africa and Europe in the east. The formation of the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean was a complex and gradual process that took place over millions of years. This process involved the movement of tectonic plates and geological changes that shaped the Earth's surface and formed these two bodies of water. The Mediterranean Sea was formed during the Miocene era, approximately 5 to 23 million years ago. During this time, the African tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate, causing the land to uplift and form the Atlas Mountains in North Africa. This collision also created a large basin between the two plates, which filled with water from the Atlantic Ocean and created the Mediterranean Sea. The formation of the Atlantic Ocean, on the other hand, was a result of the separation of the North American and African tectonic plates. This separation caused a large gap in the Earth's crust, which filled with water and formed the Atlantic Ocean. This process began approximately 200 million years ago and is still ongoing, as the two plates continue to move away from each other at a rate of approximately 2.5 centimeters per year. The movements of tectonic plates also created several geological features, such as the Alps, the Atlas Mountains, and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The Alps are a mountain range located in Europe and are a result of the collision between the African and Eurasian plates. The Atlas Mountains, on the other hand, are a mountain range located in North Africa and are a result of the uplift caused by the same collision. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a geological feature located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and is caused by the separation of the North American and African plates. In conclusion, the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean were formed through a combination of geological movements and tectonic plate shifts that took place over millions of years. These movements also created several geological features that continue to shape the Earth's landscape today. The Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean play an important role in the world's climate, ocean currents, and overall ecological balance, making them two of the most important bodies of water on our planet.